Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. Welcome once again, and it's good to have you all back. A much better day today. Started off great, fell back, got very scary, had to sell a couple more stocks that were in profit. So far, I haven't had to sell anything that has been down. I didn't want to sell my Johnson & Johnson and my Coke and some of my dividend stocks, but I did. I had no choice, and it's kept me out of margin. I would have been margin call today again, but I've managed to keep out of it. So that's good. Where are we right now? Is our portfolio, as you can see, 35,254 right now. So we're back up again. We're up today. Now, I know the chart is red. I don't know why. It's charting issues that are incorrect today with Robinhood. It shouldn't actually be red. It should actually be green. But there we go. I can assure you I am up 0.91, $319. Let's get straight into the trades right now and see where we are. We've got a big evening in front of us. We had the Arrival earnings report this morning. We've got the SoFi earnings tonight. So join me for that. Let me make sure everyone knows about it. Or let's see who's coming. Who's joining me after hours SoFi earnings? There we go. There's the SoFi earnings after hours. Have I spelt that right? Yes, I have. There you go. Who's joining me after hours SoFi earnings? Of course, tonight was a dramatic night. We had the stock halted. You can see for a few hours. Look at that. It was halted there for a few hours on a leak of the earnings report. The trouble is we don't know. We don't know if it was a good earnings or a bad earnings. I guess I'm assuming. I mean, what do you think? I'm assuming. I mean, it's not shot up, has it? I mean, from here, this is minus 18. Well, actually, it has minus 4. So it looks like the earnings report tonight is going to be good. I don't know. I wouldn't want to get a trap into that. Remember how manipulated and devious all this stuff actually is. So anyway, it got halted because the earnings report was leaked. Now, it was down 18%. We're down 4% now. So, is it a good earnings report? Could be. Or is it manipulation? Was it leaked on purpose? You've got to be so careful with this stuff. So careful. Chasing it now. I mean, if I buy it now, of course, that's still good because I'm 39% down. I paid $9.41, so I could pay half price. What does everybody think? Anyway, it's pumping right now. I don't know what you make of that. I'm not really in a position to spend any more money. To be perfectly honest with you, I've got enough shares of it anyway. If it goes up. You know, I didn't buy SoFi just to be $9 a share. I bought it to be, $30, $40 a share. So I'm not going to get greedy and buy it now. Even though I'm 38% down, it looks like we got a good earnings. The earnings probably it's leaked, it's already out. Would make sense. I'm going to hold fire. I don't want to get caught on that in case it was manipulation. Could easily be. We leak a report. It's not a correct report. The price pops up, and then the moment the actual report comes out, it drops. I mean, I'm just saying, you got to be wise to this stuff. There's a lot of manipulation in the markets right now. Over there on TikTok, how you all doing? Thanks for joining me. Who's with me this afternoon? William Caron. The earnings report is handled by the Supreme Court. Space trading under 6 looks like a good pickup. Yeah. It does. I haven't bought any more though. I was just about margin called again today. I've been hovering above margin call now for days. Sadly, it looks like a bloody bear trend. Indeed, it does. We've had 6 weeks of this now. 6 weeks. I've been close to margin call now several times. Market profit. Nice to see your portfolio up. I had to sell something today. I sold some more Coke, some more Johnson & Johnson. I sold one of my dividend stocks. They were all up. They were all in profit. I haven't yet had to sell anything that that is down. But the next one I will, because there's nothing left to sell. No more money to bring in, and that's it. Feels nice seeing a little green in the portfolio. It does indeed. Any swing trade ideas? Well, like we're talking about right now, Caden, the leak was exceptionally good report. I'm guessing the leak was faked and earnings were bad. The leak was an exceptionally good report. I'm guessing the leak was faked and earnings were bad, and this is a gamma squeeze for long positions. Sorry, market profit. I'm not sure what you mean. You're contradicting yourself. That the leak was an exceptionally good report. Then why would they need to leak it to get it to go down? Is that what you're saying? I'm not quite sure what you mean. That's what I'm unsure of. Anyway, waiting for Tesla to go back to 750 before I pull the trigger. There we go. We're going up now, 1.44. We were up today, 4.5% at one point. Now, I apologize for the graph the chart being red. It's actually green. It's a Robinhood error today. It's been like this all day. I'm actually green, but it's showing red. It's a bit weird. Anyway, as you can see over on the margin call line, here's the margin call line. You can see here, if I press that little exclamation mark, there's the margin line. I was on it today and I would have crossed it. So as it literally sat on $5 away, I sold some stocks. I had it ready to go and I sold it. So there we go. I had to have done it. Even now, if I'd held, I would have had to have done it anyway. It's just not comfortable sitting right on that margin line. Arrival. It had a great earnings this morning. Well, I say great, wasn't amazing, but they're moving in the right direction. Things are looking good. Their UPS, their customers, BlackRock, their investors, and UPS, everything's on target. But this stock will absolutely explode if in July they open the micro factory in Bicester. I know Bicester. Some people are saying Bicester. It's not, it's Bicester. And I know that because I've got friends who live there. It's in England. Market makers leaked a good report to pull more people into buying. And there will be a squeeze on long positions when the real bad report comes out. Squeezing, okay. That's why I'm not buying anything. I'm sort of dubious when I see a report leaked like that. It's not always a good thing. Sometimes it's intentional, right? Like you say, they leaked a good report. An old financial advisor on YouTube with 500,000 subs added 50,000 to CVE position. CVE, congratulations. Are you getting into that, Caden? Right, Vanguard S&P is up 1% today. Much, much better. That's now just down 5.25%. Let me refresh some of these screens. They're not showing. Just bear with me. I need to refresh a few of these screens. So I'll just I'll run through a few all at once, and then I won't need to do it again. I had to restart my computer today because I made 5 videos, opening bell, closing bell, the earnings reports. I've been a very busy guy today. So, yeah, these are struggling to open right now. Right, Vanguard S&P, Tesla, up 2% today, looking much better. Apologise for the reloading of these screens. It's holding everything back right now, but anyway, 35%, 35,183. Now then, we've got the SoFi. Who's joining me? No. 70% no. That's odd. Who's saying no? Who's joining me after hours, SoFi? 7 of you aren't. That's not right. Everybody watching the show this morning was, so I'm surprised. Has everyone got that right? Who's joining me after hours? SoFi earnings. Anyway, good afternoon, rich people. I don't know about that right now. Peru, we're struggling a lot, so I'm not sure about that. Nvidia, Twitter, Nvidia is up today, 5.6%, down 25%. Market said no. Well, yeah, but market isn't 7 out of 10, is he? Very odd. I think everyone's read the question wrong, because you asked me to do it, and now everyone's not going. What's going on there? Meta is up 2.5%, 2.25% today, 2.33. Gores Guggenheim. Lucid down still 1.59. Robinhood up 0.32. I can't go to work at my business. I own sales report for my business. It's up 62% this year for keep grinding. Good luck to you, Caden. Palantir is down 3.54. PayPal is up 0.0205. Immersion. Peru, where do you see the SoFi going tonight? Because obviously we've talked about it. The report was leaked. It's going back down again. I'm down 41% on this stock right now. Where do you see it going tonight? Any thoughts? Any thoughts at all? Mullen is down today, 9%. I'm out of that stock now. I'm just showing you, but I'm completely out of that now. I don't think I'll enter it again. It's a very dodgy stock, that, right now. Tilray Brands, still down 38%. Popped up a little bit, but fallen back again today. Uber, 4% up. Uber got a deal with what's it called? Who was it? Arrival. Uber's got a deal with Arrival. This morning we heard from them. Now, if you've not seen the earnings report this morning, I recommend you check it out, because this was it here. The earnings report, Arrival. It was a good one because we actually saw from the actual people themselves. It was a Zoom call, very unusual. It's normally a webinar, just audio, but this actually was a Zoom call, so it was quite good. You got to meet the people, so check that out. There it is. If you go onto my YouTube channel, just look below on the uploads. Now, I posted 4 videos today. Remember, I am giving a prize for my best, most engaged fan of the year. What you have to do is watch the video, like the video, and comment. Try and comment first if you can. I've had 4 videos come out today. Tesla shut down in China. Arrival up 11% this morning. Ion Quantum Computers up. The next big thing for Amazon. And Amazon, no way. This was Market Profit. Market Profit, you are famous today. This is your video. This is your video. Look, do you recognize this? Market Profit. You told me about this. I made this morning. It's posted now. $7.6 billion loss. I just could not believe that was the case, but it was. Market shared the information. I called the video Amazon, no way. 7.6 billion they lost this morning. Lost last week. But I couldn't believe that. But it was true. So go and check out those new videos. Okay, so SoFi is falling back down again. That's why you don't chase the stock. Even though I'm down 42%, I'd love to buy it at $5. That's half the price, and I'm not touching it right now. And the reason is I'm only a couple of grand away from margin again. And until we get another month or 2 out of the way, I'm going to be living on the margin every day, and it's uncomfortable. And I've sold my last profitable stock today. Everything else is in the red. And I don't want to start doing that, because that's when it gets really painful. But anyway, so far, I've avoided it. CPI on Wednesday. If things aren't too bad, then of course, we will send the markets up. And I can start making profits on the way up. And then margin call will be behind me. Peru, do you base any of your forecasts on reality and fundamentals? I understand it's nice to be positive, but you seem not to be able to identify weakness in markets and stocks. That's a comment from Market Profit. CNV Studio is here. Canterbury Music Vine, here he is. Tom. So far, we'll be back to 7-ish as soon as we get the CPI report tomorrow. CPI will be good for sure. All right, tomorrow. Let's hope so, because if the CPI is good, not only will SoFi be up, everything will be up. So let's see if Peru's right. Let's see if Peru's right. I must admit, he tends to be right nearly all the time, just about all the time. Let's see if he's right on this one. We'll find out tomorrow. CPI report. What time is that? I'll have it on Yahoo Finance, and we'll air it live in the show, the CPI report, and we will see how it goes. But I know it's a very, very big day. All right, now then, we're coming down to the last 45 minutes before the bell goes. We are doing SoFi tonight, the earnings. Tonight, I'm going to grab a beer. No, I'm not. Should I get a beer or a whiskey? Whiskey or beer? What does everybody think? Should I have a beer or whiskey? It's released 15 minutes before the market opens. Oh, okay. So we'll have it right. We'll have it 45 minutes into the show tomorrow morning. Okay. CPI. I'll be all over it then. Now, I want to thank 3 of you, and I really appreciate it very much. As you know, some of you have asked for some souvenirs, memorabilia from the studio. Quite a few have actually asked. Some have said, "Can I have a signed tie?" Or I don't know. I've got my guitar over there, a signed guitar, all sorts of things from the studio. And to do that, I need international selling on eBay. And to get international selling, I need 10 different people to buy 10 things on my eBay shop and leave a report, a good comment, and then I'll have international selling. And 3 of you did it today, so thank you very much indeed. So here is my eBay shop. If you'd like to help me, what I've done is I've made a couple of souvenirs for $1, just so you buy them, just so I can get 10 sold. All right? So when I did Phantom of the Opera and the World Piano Man, here's my, look, nice card. It's laminated, thick card. I've signed it. I'll put your name on it. Phantom of the Opera, the World Piano Man. You can see here, look, this was my ticket. Quite nice, right? There you go. And if you would like that, there are 10 of them. There are 7 left. You go to my eBay shop, and they're just $1. I think it works out about $7 with taxes and postage and mailing and everything else. If you're interested in that, please get that. Only US people, because I can't ship to the world yet, and that's the idea. So I've created something really cheap. And I've also got a ladies' or a child's t-shirt signed as well. There you go. Signed, the Day Trader. And that's an auction. And the current bid is just $5. $5 the bid. If you want to order that, again, Leah, my wife, started it off. She won't bid again. We're not going to try and bid it up. We're not going to try and scam it. But we were just testing it. So she bid $5. So if you bid more than $5, you can win that. It ends in I think 5 days' time. And there is the eBay shop. I'll post it again. There you go. All right. Okay. Thank you very much indeed. All right. Start selling your underwear or start an OnlyFans. Well, I need international selling. I need 10 American orders to be able to do it, because most of my audience are around the world. In fact, Europe, Australia. We have some China, Italy, of course, England. But I can't do any of that until I sell 10 things to 10 different people. That's why I'm asking you. That's why I'm only making it $1. Market OnlyFans is very profitable. Dear me. Right. 2:20 in the afternoon. We've got SoFi. It's still it's going down again. I'm not going to buy it. As you can see, it's going down. I'm not doing anything else. I've got enough. I'm going to hold it. Now, tomorrow, the CPI, Peru said CPI is going to be good. SoFi is going to go up. And if SoFi goes up, the whole market will go up. So tomorrow, I'm very excited now. Let's see if I can make some profit. See if I can, clear some margin. Would be wonderful. We'll see in the morning. All right. We got just over half an hour to go. We got the earnings report. I'm going to give everybody now here it is. SoFi earnings. It's right there, straight after the show, and we've got a new feature now on our channel. As I end the show today, it will automatically go straight to that event. So you can be the first to comment. Remember, we're giving away prizes for the people that comment first and all that stuff. And you'll be taken directly there. So you don't have to go and find it or anything like that. And you can click reminder and like and all the rest of it. Okay. Let's look at our crypto and let's see what that's doing. Bitcoin. I managed to buy Bitcoin at 30 and 29.9, I think it was. I've been buying $100 of it at a time. Now, you can't use margin for crypto. So if I do manage to break even and I decide to sell my crypto, that will massively help my my margin. All right, that will go 100% off my margin. Okay. Did you get it to work then? Oh, that's channel to channel, Tom. I've got it to work from channel to channel, yeah, but not channel to my other channel. Yeah, we were trying to get it so I could do a music concert afterwards, and we've not managed to make that work yet. But no, it's channel to channel. Bitcoin back to 50,000. Well, that's why I'm holding it. If the CPI comes in under analysis expectation, we will see a bear market rally so vicious it might break historical records. If it's worse, it will probably be the same in the opposite direction. Very pivotal day tomorrow and not looking promising. There we go. Well, it's a big day. We all know tomorrow is a big day. Market Profit says it's going to be a disaster. And Peru says it's going to be great. It's very interesting, isn't it? Two people with knowledge and experience have a very different opinion. And I can guarantee one thing. One of them is going to be right. And one of them is going to be wrong. And we shall see. Let's see. It's like a I don't know, a big battle tomorrow to see who gets it right. Anyone in here thinks Bitcoin is going to 50,000 anytime soon? You're kidding yourselves. That's Paul B. Biden keeps saying market won't hit recession, but he never says his plan to fix inflation. I'm hoping for a good day. It's been brutal for so many. You are absolutely right. It's been very hard on this show. Very stressful, very difficult. And I can tell you, it's been very emotional for me. It's been very difficult. Anyway, tomorrow we'll see who's going to come out on top. Is it going to be Market Profit or is it going to be Peru? Be a very interesting day tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Anyway, Paul B just turned up. Here he is.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England and he's a lot of fun.
Ryan Sullivan just says Shiba is so cheap right now. For me, free is cheap for Shiba. I don't believe in it. To me, it's just merely speculative gambling. Wouldn't buy it. Have bought it because you guys asked me to for fun, and I've been giving it away as cash prizes, as you know. But I wouldn't buy it as an investment. There is just no sign of relief. There we go, Caden. We'll see. We will see in the morning. And we've just got half an hour to go now before we go into the closing bell. And then we're going to get ready for SoFi earnings. I'm going to grab a drink and enjoy it. And sit back and listen in. It's a good day. If it's a good day, Market Profit says, if it's a good day, I will auction off my underwear and donate all the proceeds to Ukraine. Are you expecting to get a lot of money or not much? I mean, what's the angle there? going all in on Shiba now. Well, good luck to you. I have to say, I don't get it. I cannot part with hard-earned money to buy Shiba. I mean, got to remember what you're doing. You're buying. Well, you know what you're buying. I'm not going to say anything. You know what you're buying. If you like it, you know, some people go out every night and drink and smoke. I wouldn't do that. They think it's brilliant. Well, that's good. A good investment for them. You might think it's a good investment to buy Shiba, but I can't say I share your opinion on that. But there you go. Oh, it's a joke. Thank God for that. But, you know, there's the Shiba army. They don't like me, the Shiba army. They always come on TikTok and have a go. But I don't pay no attention to it. It's absolute nonsense. It makes me laugh. Shiba army. No such bloody thing. My used underwear is considered an equivalent as gold in some circles. Oh, there we go. That's a thought right there, which will not enter my mind just because I've said it. It will not enter my mind. SoFi going down at the moment. The portfolio is we're going down again. This is very, very odd. The charts for Robinhood today aren't accurate. They aren't showing correctly. They're showing they're up when they're down. The charts are not coming through properly today. No question about it. There's no line. There should be a line here, and there isn't. It's very peculiar today. Anyway, I'm up. I'm down 0.95 today, just down slightly again. Now, the margin call right now was that we're a couple of grand away. I think it's 32,000. So I don't think we're going to go under today. We've been very, very close. Arrival did good this morning. I'm down 51%. I could have made money here, but I've held it. Vanguard S&P is up 0.43. Good to see that returning. Tesla 797. $100 discount right now. My average is 869. It's basically $100 a share discount. That's tempting to buy, I have to tell you. Hang on a minute. I've just realized that chart isn't changing. Let me update that a minute. We're getting a few issues here today. That's better. That wasn't showing, was it? Right, there we go. Rivian, much, much better. I bought at 22 yesterday with Ford and Amazon selling off. 797. Who fancies some Tesla right now? I would love to buy that. What is the margin requirement with Tesla? Says here somewhere. Where does it say? Let me just have a look for Tesla right now. Tesla. Where does it say? It says the margin requirements. I look on the app. I know it's on there. Oh, there we go. Medium volatility. Maintenance requirement 40%. Initial requirement. So it's not the worst. It's in the middle. I'll be straight. I fancy nothing right now, if I'm honest. Uzumaki. I don't blame you for that, to be honest. I don't blame you for that. There you are. Margin requirements. It's down the bottom. You can't see it. It's off the screen. So that's why I brought up the app. There you go. Margin requirements. There you go. If I use my margin for Tesla, it's 40% maintenance requirement, and initial requirement is 52%. So it's Somewhere in the middle. Somewhere in the middle. I'm not going to do it. I'm just too close. I'd love to buy Tesla at 794, but we're still in a market where it could go down. But of course, you can't make money and get out of this situation unless you buy these dips to make profit. The idea is, if I bought a Tesla now for 795, I wouldn't be keeping it. If it went back up to 869, where my average is, I would sell that one and make $100, and that would be great. But right now, I don't know that. Have your profits recovered from yesterday? They did, and they dipped back down again. 730, 750 is my Tesla strike price. Or your option trading. I don't do options trading. To me, that's gambling, as I've said before many times. That's my overall portfolio is down 1.28% today. And we are margin call. I will tell you, margin call is now. I haven't been margin called yet. I've come very close. I came $100 today. Less than that, actually, under $100. And I had to sell something. I sold Johnson & Johnson and Coke and a dividend stock. I was literally right on it by $10. I held out as long as possible. Right. Margin maintenance is 32,944. So basically 33. So $1.5 grand away now. So much better than it was, but still extremely close. No, I'm not options trading. That's when I want to buy. Okay. The fact you said strike price, I assumed you were options trading. Hello, Queen Market Profit. Uzi Maki said, if you bought a Tesla for 795, you have got a bargain. Those motors worth a fortune. Very funny, Uzi Maki. Cracking all the jokes this afternoon. I'll give you that one. I've been trading SARK and ARKK. Ryan Sullivan. There you go. Very good. Now then, if you've just tuned in, hang on a minute. What's going on here? You know what I'm going to say. 22 watching, 11 likes. That's terrible. Right, 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. I want 20 likes. What's going on? Nudge it, budget, move it is here. My missus says better has a T in it or two. My missus says better has a T in it or two. 41 seconds to go. 13 likes. We need 20 likes. Time the bell. The clock reaches 0. Come on, everybody. Over there on TikTok, how you doing? We've got a cash giveaway. Who wants to win some free money and doesn't want to pay a penny? I don't want nothing from you. I don't want your WhatsApp. I don't want your Telegram. I would just love your company, and I'm doing a cash giveaway. Would you like that? All right. Let me tell you how to do it then. Just watching the clock. 10 seconds to go. You're getting a delay because this is on YouTube. Here we go. 16 likes. I want you 20 likes. There we go. And let's bring it up. There we go. So how many likes did I get? 16 in the end. All right, not too bad. Right, for those of you over on TikTok, I'm doing a cash giveaway. I do it every Friday. It's completely free. And it's a free raffle draw. Okay, and I draw it every Friday. And I have... I can enter you into that draw, but I need you to be on YouTube right now. So it's youtube.com/thedaytrader1. The link's in the profile here. All links button, or just behind the Instagram icon is the YouTube icon. Or just type in, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. That's where we are right now. That's where my serious traders are. And I will enter you into a draw. It's free. I want nothing from you. Be very wary of the scammers on TikTok. I'm the only real Martyn Lucas, the day trader. I'm the only one who goes live. I'm the only one who doesn't ask you for WhatsApp and Telegram. I'm the only one who doesn't try to sell you anything. And I'm also live with 17,000 followers. They've got nobody. Right? So if you want to be in our cash draw, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Links in the profile. Let me get back to my audience. All right. Fusion. Kathy sold Tesla and bought GM. After she says Tesla will be 3,000 in the future. She's like the rest of us. No one knows what's going on. That's very true. ARK's time has passed. Might be a few years before conditions improve for that one. As your YouTube Shorts channel sold? No. Well, one of them did. I had two YouTube channels. One of them sold for $750 to Muzanella. So he has over 1,000 subscribers and watch time. And I have one left. I have the content creator channel. And no, it's on, I think, 1,100, something like that, subscribers. And no, I've still got it. And if anybody'd like to buy it from me, make me an offer. And if it's decent, I transfer it to you. It's a very simple process. I did it for Muzanella. Transfer it across and you will have that channel. All right. SoFi is going back down. We're not chasing it. We've got the earnings report tonight. The overall portfolio is up slightly. We've got 20 minutes before the bell goes. Just 20 minutes to go. And then we've got the earnings for SoFi tonight. Here's the presentation video. Who's going to join me? We're doing a poll right now, and you've said, who's joining me after hours SoFi? 36% is. So what's that? 6, 12, 18. About 7 of you, according to that. All right. Now then, when I finish the show here today, we've got a new way of doing things. You won't need to go there. It'll automatically take you there at the end of the show. There will be a gap in between. So you can go into the live chat and you can carry on the conversation. You won't have to do anything. It'll automatically take you there at the end of the show. All right. Now then, if you've not yet entered our cash giveaway for Friday, you can enter our cash giveaway. Here it is, Friday the 13th. Can you believe it? Tomorrow is the CPI report. First thing in the morning, be a very dramatic day. Market Profit says it's going to be the worst day in history. Markets are going to crash bigger than ever. Bloody hell, scary. And Peru thinks it's going to be a good day. It's going to be green day and everything's going to go up. So, one of you is going to be right. Anyway, if you want to enter the May 13th giveaway, there is the video. All you got to do is watch it all the way through, leave a comment, including the magic word which you will work out from the clues in the video. It's a word game. Bit of fun this week. And then we have our cash giveaway on Friday. Free to enter. All can take part in it. If anyone's over there on TikTok, come and join us. Alex, nudge it, budget, move it. So my number one top viewer on TikTok right now. Thank you ever so much, Alex. All right. CPI report in the morning. Right, the S&P is just heading down again. Right, I'm getting close again. I'm still a couple of $1,000 away. Well, what did we say it was? 1,500 right now away from margin. Keep avoiding it just on the line. Our Bitcoin, I've been buying more Bitcoin. Just $100 a time. Not too much. Just every time it drops $2,000, I buy 100. And then I don't buy it again until it drops another. If it goes backwards and forwards, I don't buy it. Until it goes back to 38,000. Once it goes to 38,000, if it goes to 38,000, I will trade the couple of $100 I bought at 31 and 30, and then wait for it to go down again and buy it again. But I'm still keeping 90% of my portfolio of Bitcoin. I'm just adding, trading the $100 discounts. I like dirty crystal balls. Dirty crystal balls. Market, the crystal ball needs to be cleaned. Use some Windex. I just use Fairy Liquid. Soap and water, hot soapy water does it every time. Hi everyone, love to the family. There we go, Paddy's here. Shall we hear from Paddy, one of our ladies, all the way from Italy. By the way, the Discord is open. Let me open the Discord in Broadcast Lounge. If you want to call in, all members can now call in. If you are on Discord and you can't see all the channels, let me know and I will make you a member. Some of you have not taken advantage of that yet. Here is Paddy from Italy.
Hello to everybody. I'm calling from Tuscany, near Pisa. I'm very, very happy to be here. It's very amazing. It's very funny. And to share friendship, a great channel, because you're sympathetic, because it's a great family, a pleasure, and a great emotion.
And Mohammed says, do you invest in NFTs? Well, yes, we do. We all do here. The Day Trader, I have our very own NFTs. We have our own NFTs here on the show, and we do. And our members can trade them in our Discord, and our members can trade them in the live chat on YouTube, and our members can buy them for any price they wish to make an offer for to me for. It's a service I provide, because I want everyone to own. It's like buying shares in the Day Trader. We're trying to grow the best YouTube channel in the world. We started just 10 and a half, coming up to 11 months ago. And as our channel grows and our subscribers grow, our audience grows, our NFTs grow. So I'm giving real fundamental foundations to my NFTs. So my members buy them and trade them. So yes, the answer is to your question, yes, we do. And if you're interested in my NFT collection, here is my NFT collection for you right now. There you go. There is my collection. You're welcome. I posted it in the chat for you right now. Go and check it out. Let's hear from more of our traders this afternoon. Who have we got? Who have we not heard from today? Alex, nudge it, budget, move it.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
That's right. You got to be in it to win it. And Martyn Redding.
If you want to talk to or learn from real people trading their real money and have a good time and enjoy yourself and get a laugh, I would encourage you to join the Martyn Lucas Day Trader channel.
Fusion 301. Anyone get in that Vroom trade today? No, I didn't. Did anybody get in the Vroom trade today? Let us know. Question from Fusion 301. Okay, I'm going to end the poll in a minute. We've got Day Trader of the Day, and then we are going to end the video. The video will go straight on automatically to the build-up of SoFi. You can continue in that channel, just having a chat until I go live. You won't need to go anywhere. You'll be in the right place. You can continue the conversation. And, of course, the first people that comment go into the draw for the Day Trader of the Year fan. And we've got a great prize to give away at the end of the year. All right. Okie dokie. We got just 15 minutes to go before we close the bell. And for those of you that wasn't here this morning, I'm trying to get 10 orders on my eBay shop so I can open up international selling. So I've created a card, souvenir collector's card. When I was the World Piano Man and the Phantom of the Opera, you can see the Phantom Mask, World Piano Man. It's made of laminated card. I'll sign it with your name on it. Just $1. It's a souvenir. I just need to sell 10 to 10 different people. In America only, I'm afraid. That's the point. I can't sell internationally until I've sold 10. You can also get one of my signed t-shirts. Look, it's for a lady or a child. Signed, and I'll put your name on it as well if you want. There you go. And here is the eBay shop. I'm doing it for $1. The t-shirt you can bid for $5. All right, $5 is the current price. There is the eBay shop. I want to sell 10 items so I can open up international selling. So you'll be really helping me out. Gage Wilson, US GDP. Depends on the stock market. We're having a conversation here with market in Peru, it looks like. No chitter chatter. Ali Tisro. Let me bring up Gage Wilson first of all. Do you think Bitcoin will go back up to 40,000? What are your predictions on Bitcoin since it's down 10,000 in the last week? Well, Gage Wilson, my feeling is this. This is my Bitcoin position. It's currently 3% of my portfolio. It's been as high as 10%. This is my Ethereum position. This is my real money, my real trades. I share with you my actual money. This is all my real money. I don't believe in any other crypto, but I do see the value in Bitcoin. I do see it now built into the internet. I do see it as a replacement for gold. I do see it as a really good future, but it's new, and there are issues right now because no one understands it, or a lot of people don't understand it. It's a very complex asset to own. I do all my research on stuff. I don't just buy willy-nilly, right? Bitcoin is a good idea, but unfortunately, it doesn't own anything. It's not like an iPhone with a phone, stock, buildings, assets it can just sell and always has some value. Bitcoin, no matter how good you think it is, and I do believe it's great, it can go to zero if everybody tomorrow sells it. Simple as that. There's nothing to stop it. Nothing at all. If everybody thought it was rubbish and waste of time, it would go to zero. Once it's been around a few more years, and once the institutions buy into it, and remember, so far they're not at all. Once it's regulated and people buy into it, it could be $1 million. And when they say $1 million, why do they say $1 million? Is it's based upon the need to supply the currency of the world. It needs to grow into that price and beyond. All right, this isn't just some silly number somebody made up. It actually means something, right? But right now, I think it's worth owning it if you're not, you're not borrowing the money because you can't anyway. You can't use margin, at least not on Robinhood anyway. And you're buying Bitcoin, and what I'm doing right now is 90% of it I'm keeping and 10% of it I'm trading. So every time it drops 2,000 or 3,000, I buy $100. Not a lot. I want to keep it under 5% of my portfolio. It's at the moment 2.9. You can see the figure right there. Look, 2.9. I'm just buying it as it drops every couple of thousand, and another $100. And I have limit orders automatically set 24/7. Every time it goes down a couple of $1,000, I buy $100 worth, and then when it goes up $6,000 or $4,000 to $6,000, I got different ones. I sell $100 worth. So I'm all the time up and down, making $10, $20, $10, $20 all day long, doing that, and it's improving my position. But I never sell the 90%. I'm just selling the $100 I buy and sell quickly all day long. So that's how I'm lowering my averages, making some profits, and that's how I'm doing it. Do I think it will go up to 30,000? Sorry. Do you think it will go up to 40,000? Yes. But I'm not going to be one of these YouTubers or make up stuff to get you to watch a video because I've read something somewhere. I mean, that's all they're doing. They're just guessing, drawing on charts. It's just guessing. So I'm not going to do that. But will it go up? Yes. In time, yes. So I would hold it. I think it's important to have it as part of your portfolio. Is your portfolio updating heavy broad base selling into close? Yes, it is. Yes. My portfolio is fine. It's not fine. I'm down 34. I'm down 1.78%. My margin call is set at, let me tell you, my margin call is now running at 32,678. 32,678. Okay. So $1,700 away from margin right now. But yes, my account is fine. It's all good. Do you think I've read that one. The fear in crypto right now is because many of the stable coins are becoming unpegged from the USD. Many Ponzi's being exposed yet, but Bitcoin is not one of them. But yeah, lots of con artists around. There are over 100 on TikTok pretending to be me. All right, all the time. Martin, that's poor. You don't look at cryptos. You don't look at other cryptos because there's so many other options than Bitcoin. This coin will drop below 20,000 very soon, and if it does, I won't just buy it every $5. Once it starts dropping below 30, I'll do it every 5,000. So I'll buy $100 at 25,000. I'll buy $100 at 20,000. That's how I'll do it. So it will never be too risky to own it. I only have 700 in Robinhood right now at 30,000. I bought in. I only have 700 in Robinhood at 30,000. Gauge. My portfolio all started with $5,000. I got up to as high as 58,000. We're back at 34,000 now because of everything. Inflation, COVID, war, God knows what else. So I grew my portfolio from $5,000 to where it is today. So don't ever apologize for only having 700. It's all about percentages. If you have $1 and you make 10%, you got $1.10. That's it. This show is for real. This is all the money I have in the world. I have no money in the bank. This is it. I have my mortgage paid off. This is it. My full-time job is a YouTuber. I sit here every day, 10 hours a day I'm in the studio. And you're watching my real money. I don't make stuff up. I don't exaggerate. It's real. It's been around for more than a decade. Yes, but that's nothing. More than a decade is nothing in the scheme of things. It's not speculative. I totally understand where Bitcoin's coming from. It's just very hard for me to buy and sell like you because I'm only 15. Well, Gage, you shouldn't buy and sell like me if you're only 15. You shouldn't be doing that at all. But I'm here to help and protect everyone and support everyone. All right? Not to encourage you to gamble or anything like that. Earnings will come out in 10 minutes after market close. We will stay on for that. Will you stay on for that? Well, I might. I might. I've been going all day. I started at 5 o'clock this morning. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon now. I did the early show for Arrival. I did the opening bell, 2 hours. I did 5 videos, the closing bell, and then we've got the after hours. That's some going, plus editing and dealing with everything else in life. So it depends. If I get a tip, I might carry on. Depends if you've got any money. I haven't. I would love you to share the Bloomberg terminal. If you can post, I can post the earnings in the chat as it crosses. That would be very, very nice. Bitcoin is good at 15K. There you go. That's Peru's take on it. I bought in at 62,000. Yeah, there you go. Everyone's buying in at different times. Big selling pressure into close. Yep, but I'm still holding though. We have real people, and that's what matters. Yes, some of the bigger channels have lots of people that aren't real. There are many channels that go live all the time. This is real. I'm always live. I'm always being copied by everybody else, but this is the real me. A lot of great comments here. Thank you very much, everybody. Now then, we're coming up to the bell. We got Day Trader of the Day now. Make sure everybody is up to date. Refresh the screen right now. Refresh the screen. If you see an ad, refresh the screen. I want everybody up to date. Make sure that the red button is live on the screen so you know it's live. And then you can make sure you're up to date. We're doing the Day Trader of the Day. Here we go. Okay, everybody refresh your screen. And right now I am down. Let's spell that correctly. Down 1.69%. There we go. down 1.69%. I'm going to give every 1 minute to post. We're down 1.72. We're just holding. Let me put my score on the screen and give everybody a 1 minute clock. It is Paul B.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
Here we go. Here's 1 minute on the clock. Let's bring it up now. Here we go. Put your scores on the doors, please. Big day tomorrow, CPI day. Caden is up 0.67. Well done. I'm going to make you delete that, Martin. Leldavaza, hello, amazing day. I'd love you to call in to be on the show. We want your voice on the show. Simon Jones, we need your name on the show. You're a member, you should be on the show. Here we go. There we go. Time's up, and let's see. I've no idea why that went to there. That's how many subscribers we've got right now. That shouldn't have gone to that screen. I don't know why that did that. But anyway, never mind. Let you bring you back up to the trade again. There we go. Right. It seemed like a good price at the time. We had no clue where the market was going to. Indeed. Let's have a look. So, Caden is up 0.67. Peter Maycock is down 4.3. Down Queen. How you can be down, guys? How you can be down? Easy. The markets are awful. But congratulations, we have our youngest investor. He's 16 or 17. He was 16 a few weeks ago. I don't know if he's still 16, maybe. Caden Youngquist up 6.7. Let's give him a big thank you very much indeed. Well done. Big thumbs up, and let's give him a big round of applause. There we go. Congratulations to you. That's Caden Youngquist, who's done very well today. Here we go. There you go. I am up 5. Oh, there we go. Up 5%. If you'd posted that earlier, you'd have won. Lel Devaza won. There we go. Round of applause. You're a bit late, though. All right. You need to be on time next time, Lel Devaza. All right. Congratulations to you. All right. Okay. Now then, so you just saw I was going to share with you our subscribers, 3,087. At 5,000 subscribers, we're going to have our guest back on the show. Remember, Greg Dickerson, big YouTuber, has 40,000 subscribers. Oh, 3,088. Just went round again. Oh, and there we go. Fat1234, 3,088. Commented right after me. There we go. Got him in. Fantastic. Now then, we're going to end the show because we have to get ready for SoFi. So, we have this new feature now. You don't have to go anywhere. I will end the show, stay with it, and it will take you directly, without doing anything whatsoever, straight to SoFi. This is SoFi live earnings right there. It'll take you right there. And if you want to, while you're waiting, I had 4 videos today, plus the arrival earnings. The arrival earnings was very interesting. We met the team on video. That was great. Another subscriber. Wow, we're on fire right now. I had lots of videos come out today. And there is the arrival. Check it out. And we are doing a competition. The people that we're looking for, the day trader fan of the year, the one that comments the most, likes the video first, all that stuff. There's 4 videos that came out today. These are the premieres. You can check them out on the channel, on the uploads right at the top of the channel, or you can stay there in the chat for the SoFi. I thought you're staying on for the post, the earnings. You asked me, and I hadn't decided. I'm very tired. I will wait, Market Profit. Come on. You remember, I'll wait. I'm always there for my members. I've only been on air 10 hours today, but I will. Welcome our new subscribers. Indeed. Welcome them to the family. Fantastic. So, if you've just tuned in and you're watching the show right now, if you've already subscribed, that's great. But give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. We're coming up to a year old, and I've been here every day, 5 days a week, 10 hours a day, more than anyone else on YouTube, to grow the best YouTube channel, the most honest YouTube channel. SoFi exploding upwards in after hours. So have a look. Well, I wouldn't say it's exploding. It's up 3%, but that 3% is pretty good though. I'm not buying any more though. I've got enough invested in it because at the end of the day, I didn't buy this to be a $5 stock. All right, I bought this to be a $40 stock. So I've got it for $9, 400% profit. That would be. That's fine. I don't need to buy any more. I don't need to own any more. I don't want 20% of my portfolio in SoFi. So I'm just holding it. It's oversold. That's why it's down 42%. The CPI is good tomorrow. It will go up again. So I'm going to hold it and see what happens. I'm not going to do anything really. Just going to enjoy the journey. There we go. Now then, for those of you who've just tuned in, all right, I was voted by Elton John as the World Piano Man. I do live music in my show, and I've raised over $1 million from our members. If you become a member, not only will I sing happy birthday on your birthday, hello, hello, hello. If you're a silver member, I'll do you a 20-minute concert to raise money for a cause or celebrate with you. If you're a silver member, you go on the homepage of my YouTube channel. We have blown up our first YouTube channel. Ask Tom. CNV Studio had a handful of subscribers. He now has 208. Most of his videos did 40 views. He's now had all the last few videos do several thousand, and that was after he came on our YouTube channel. We're doing that for all our members. We're here to help everyone. If you become a silver member, you go on the homepage of my YouTube channel. How do you become a member? Here you go. I'm going to give you the invite to join. There is the invite to join. As we grow, you grow. This channel is for everyone. I'll post it 3 times. If you wish to go on our Discord group, it's below. All the links, by the way, are below all my videos in the description. But here is the link to Discord. It's free. But if you want to access the exclusive content, if you want to have polls in the videos, if you want to have your own channel on Discord, if you want to be able to call in on Discord, like our other guests have done, then you need to be a member on the Day Trader on YouTube, and then I'll make you an upgraded member on Discord to access all the great stuff. Some of you interested in NFTs, we have our own collection of NFTs, which our members can trade in the Discord and in the chat here live on the Day Trader. All right. Okay. We're just market profit. How are we doing? Get ready for the bounce tomorrow. Get ready for the bounce tomorrow. CPI in the morning. 15 minutes before the bell opens. Nathan Thomas is here. Welcome to you. Everybody welcome Nathan Thomas, a guest of the family, not a member of the channel yet. We gained lots. We gained 3 members yesterday live in the show. Fantastic. Those guys now are taking advantage of all the perks. You can be a member for a couple of bucks a month as a bronze member. Very, very cheap. All the way up to sponsor level, where we promote you and do commercials for you live in the show. All right. SoFi is up now, 5.9%. There we go. SoFi is going up. I'm not doing anything other than riding it up. It's going to be less than 8.1%. That's what Nathan Thomas thinks. Well, we'll find out. If it is, we'll see. We could be in for a good day. We don't know. Market Profit says it'll be the worst day in history tomorrow. That's what he said. The worst crash in history tomorrow. The non-leaked ones, yes. And Peru thinks the opposite. Thinks it's going to be fine. We will see in the morning, and we can debate it all day long. All right. Now then, we've got the cash giveaway for Friday. Only a handful of you have entered it. It's free to enter. Here is the video. You just watch it. It's 3 minutes long. Solve the puzzle. There's a magic word you have to work out. Some people have got it wrong. So don't copy what other people have put in the description. Some people have got it wrong. So watch the 3-minute video, like the video, and work out the magic word. And the clue is, because it's an SPCE Virgin Galactic video, the clue is follow that star. If you get it right, work it out, you will be in the draw for Friday. The only money I guarantee is mine. Is that one kept under my mattress? There you go. Everybody round to Queen's house. All her money under a mattress. But I'm hoping for a good CPI report. All the inflation everywhere makes me have that negative view. That's right, market profit. You're going on what you see, and that's right. Nothing wrong with that. SoFi is still going up. I'm 41% down still, though. Nothing exciting yet to talk about. Arrival going sideways now. I'm holding on. I'm actually looking to take a break, but market profit wants me to hold for a second. And what we're going to do is we're going to go straight over to the SoFi earnings. It's a different show. All right, here is the SoFi earnings. We're on the closing bell right now. It'll go over to the SoFi earnings. So all you need to do is stay where you are. The show will end. It'll automatically take you there. You can continue chatting in the chat. I will then join you. Okay, you don't have to go anywhere. And you can be the first to comment, the first to like, all that good stuff. And I'll join you. If you've never tuned in for a earnings report, you'll know that I simply sit and listen in. And I just listen in, have a drink. Tonight I'll have a latte, I think. I won't have a whiskey, I'll have a latte. There'll be a bounce because we need it. But it'll be a quick bounce, then back down. Yeah, that's great. You, Paddy, the things are unpredictable, says the Queen of Self-Braiding. Currently long in Bitcoin until 36,000, then short at 37. I will never short anything. I don't believe in that philosophy at all. Right. Any second now, we will get the earnings report. Market Profit will share it with us. And that's very, very useful. Thank you very much indeed. We have 3,088 now subscribers to the channel. At 5,000, we get our guest, Greg Dickerson, back on the show. And of course, we all know what happens at 10,000. We've got a big cash giveaway as well to celebrate it. Fantastic. Looking forward to that. So if you want to, and you want to go in for the Day Trader of the Year competition, when we finish this video, it'll take you straight to SoFi. You could sit there and wait for it to start. It would just be a few minutes. Or you can have a quick look at the uploads that I posted today. They're only 3 minutes long, each one. 2 minutes long, each one. Look, you can see. And you can leave a comment. And the comments 1, 2, and 3 go into the draw. Okay, Queen of Self-Braiding is trying to have some fun with me. I know exactly what she's doing. When I asked our angel investor what's the best YouTube channel in the world and why, this was his reply.
Currently, your channel is something unique that I like about because you're helping people. You relay excellent information and real information and no hype at all. That's why I like your channel.
And just while we're waiting for Market Profit, very quickly, a number of you want to buy souvenirs from my studio, personal items that I can sign from my TV studio here. And I'm looking to do it. I need to get 10 American sales on eBay so I can open up my international selling. So I've got this card when I was World Piano Man and Phantom of the Opera. It's a nice laminated card, look. And I'll put your name on it. I'll sign it. All right. Just $1 from my Amazon shop. I need to sell 10 individual customers and then leave me a comment. You can also get yourself one of these signed t-shirts. It's for a lady or a child. There you go. See it signed. All right. I need 10. And I've made them just $1. And that t-shirt you can bid from $5. And I need to sell 10 in the US so I can open up international selling. Here is the eBay shop link. There we go. Very easy to remember. Well, not that easy. But there it is anyway. I've made them as cheap as I can. Can I play the guitar? I can play the piano. I can strum the guitar. But you never know. I might sign the guitar as well and sell that at some point to pay off my margin. Right, we're just waiting for 1 more minute for market profit. I have to go. I have to prepare for the closing for the SoFi earnings. I can't wait much longer. I'm afraid I have to get going in a second. The report is in 45 minutes and we need to be in there 15 minutes before. You'll all be there automatically waiting, and that way you can go into the live chat and continue talking and getting ready for it. And I'll be right there. Nathan, welcome to you in the family. Coin just got crushed. Coinbase, yeah. Still waiting. All right, market profit. We can end the show and you can post it in the SoFi. So I'm going to be there anyway in the next minute. So the moment I end this one, the other show starts in the live chat. You can post it and then I'll go live in a few minutes and we'll have the build up anyway. So we'll do that. All right. Okay. Sell your feet. Brilliant. All right. Okay. But coin is bouncing. All right. So we're going to end the broadcast now. It's going to take you directly to SoFi. You can continue chatting. Market profit will put the information straight in the chat. You don't need to go anywhere. I'll be there in a few minutes for the SoFi update and the earnings report. I'm going to grab a beer or a coffee and sit and listen. It's always interesting to do that. So I'll see you back in just a second live on the show. So don't go away. Stay right where you are. It'll automatically take you to the next premiere. All right. I'll see you back in a minute. Take care of yourselves and each other.